Father's Day for all of the team members here in the office and also to all of our clients. Have an amazing Father's Day. You guys are amazing. I want to encourage each and every single team members in our office that, hey, today is the day. Celebrate with your family. Once again, happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day.
Hey everybody, today is June the 16th, Father's Day. Happy holidays to all the fathers in the company. And let's keep on fighting. Go serve big.
Good morning everyone, this is Jay, and I just want to wish everyone, especially the fathers out there, a very happy Father's Day. Today's a special day and I hope you guys are having fun, and those of you that are at our tour homes, happy Father's Day to you as well. So on behalf of myself and your home Solar Guarantee Realty, have a wonderful, happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day, everyone.